Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first video that you're watching. I do have 2 other videos up if you want to go watch those after you're done watching this one. Today we're just going to be creating this eye look that you see here with a new palette that we just picked up and some new face products. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Today we're going to be trying out the new Nude Huda Beauty palette, and I'm very excited for it. This is how it looks on the inside. The first shade that I'm going to be taking in the palette is called Secret. It's just this one right here. Now taking the shade Raw, which is just this shade right here, I'm going to be taking it on a Morphe M441 brush and focusing this more on my crease. Now taking a Morphe E17 brush, I'm just going to dip into the same shade and focus this on my inner and outer corner. Then going in with that other brush again and just blending it out so there's no harsh lines. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut the crease using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just a flat brush. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting my crease, I'm just going to take the NYX Glitter Primer and apply that where we cut the crease. So the 2 glitters that I'm going to be putting on my lid today is going to be the NYX Glitter, and this is just the gold one. It's in the shade 04. And then I'm also going to be trying out a glitter from the palette. It is called Excite, and it's just this dark one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the NYX one. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the rest of my lid for that other glitter shade that we're going to be using. Just blending them into each other. Okay, so now that we're done with the glitter, I'm just gonna take that color Raw again and put it on my outer corner just to intensify it a little bit more. And then using that other brush again and just blending it out. Okay, now we're going to be applying a winged liner, and I'm just going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner to do this. Okay, so now that the liner is done, I'm just going to clean up the under eyeshadow and then pop on my lash, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm back with both eyes completed, and I'm so excited to try out these next few products. I'm going to be trying out a new primer today. It's from Becca. It's called the Backlight Priming Filter, and it's supposed to give you like a shine and like a glow, so I'm ready to try this. Okay, this primer is really glowing. I'm liking it so far. I'm going to be trying out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. Okay, first thing that I noticed right off the bat is that this is really full coverage, and I'm living for it because obviously I don't have the best skin, and it's covering literally everything. One more thing that I will say about this foundation is that it smells like paint. For the coverage, I'm not completely mad that it smells like paint because this is very full coverage, and look, you can see that glow from that primer that we used earlier even over how full coverage this foundation is. I'm really impressed actually. Now I'm just going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just highlighting the areas of my face. I'm just going to be setting my face now with the Laura Mercier setting powder. The one difference is though today we're not going to be taking it all over our face because I actually picked up a powder. So I'm going to be testing out the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder. And so it looks like this. I got the shade Medium Plus. So I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush. Dipping into it, I'm just going to take it everywhere else that I didn't put the powder. I actually like this because using translucent powder all over my face, I've realized that it tends to make my whole face quite a bit lighter, and so I decided to try a powder out, and I actually really like it, and I really like how it's making my skin look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off this product. I'm still gonna do my little trick with the translucent powder. I didn't pick up a new bronzer either, so I'm just going to be using the same bronzer, the Butter Bronzer. That looks so pretty. Like with the light, the bronzer, and like a medium shade. Oh my. I have been missing out on a powder. I really have. Now just bronzing up my nose. So I never wear blushes in any of my looks, but I decided to pick up a blush just to try it out. And so I picked up the Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. It's really subtle. I kind of like it just for like an everyday blush. I just don't like intense blushes, and I think that's why I don't wear blush, but this is really cute. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to take the shade Secret on a Morphe E17 brush. Ooh. Hold up. This looks a little crazy. I'm going to switch out that brush for just my e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush and blend this out. Then taking the shade Raw, I'm just going to be adding it closer to my lower lash line just for some dimension. For my inner corner, I am dying to dig into this shade called Charmed. It has like big like gold chunks in there, so I definitely want to try that for my inner corner. Okay, so the color does not look how it looks like in the pan. It would have been smarter to go in with the shade Crave. Hopefully that is more of a gold color. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some Fix Plus just to intensify it. So now moving on to highlight. I did not pick up a new highlight either, so I'm just gonna use my Laura Geller. She's glowing. Okay, now moving on to the lips. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips really quick. And for my lip color today, I'm just gonna use the Melted Matte Too Faced Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. Now just taking my MAC Fix Plus and setting everything into place. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and check out my other videos if you haven't yet. Give this a thumbs up if you liked today's look. And definitely subscribe because I will have more videos posting very soon. Thank you guys again. Bye guys.